And now, let's learn the sound of letters A to F. Ready? Go. A sounds A, A. B, B, B. C, K, K. D, D, D. E, E, E. F. There you go.